Steve had made his notes that he wanted to deliver on his cell phone. He's reading it off his cell phone. I made my notes on paper with a pencil, crying out loud. The longer this evening goes, the more inadequate I'm going to feel, I gotta tell you. All right, congratulations to both of them for their efforts in enabling us to serve all of the public here and here. Now, as they say in those 7-Eleven commercials, too much good stuff. There is too much good stuff. So, how do you know what to watch? We've got all these sources now and billions of hours to watch. I'm beginning to sound like Carl Sagan. There's over 3,000 hours of Jeopardy alone somewhere out there. Now, those who solve that search for the needle in the video haystack are our next Emmy recipients, because they've created smart software, and I hate this word, that learns your likes and dislikes and recommends other video offerings to you. It collects your feedback, it narrows down the choices, and it learns by your recommendations what it's going to offer you next time. Receiving the Emmy for personalized recommendation engines for video discovery are Ginny, Think Analytics, Digital Smiths, and Comcast. And the first to accept the award is Yossi Glick, co-founder and CEO of Ginny.